you're desperate. Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure?
Hey guys, how's it going? Mason, Nitrix. C6U. What's going on, guys? I guess I should have checked my mic levels before I started, but how do I sound? Sound okay, everyone? How's the volume on everything? Seb, how's it going? Teddy, I saw your message earlier. Please join the Discord server, and there should be a suggestion thread there somewhere, or the forum actually is gonna have all the suggestions. No, he did not, Mason. I have yet to talk to him. I literally got up an hour ago, went and ran some errands, got me some coffee. I am ready to code. Mike is not muted. Mike is definitely not muted. Cool, cool. Kieran, Mike is not muted. Think so. Okay. Did you sub? Yeah, I'm gonna work on some stuff. I really haven't decided what we're gonna do right yet. Always gotta get the coffee, Mason. I got some premium Dunkin' Donuts. My mic is low? No, it's not. Forbidden, stop. You troll. You know, haven't quite got there yet. We might mess with some more events. I have some events pulled up. Well, I'm gonna have some events pulled up here. Let me go ahead and switch scenes. I don't remember if my webcam is on. Hold up. There it is. Cool. Alright. So let's mess with some more events. So we did channel create, channel delete. Mason, I really haven't used it yet. I've looked at it. WebStorm really, I don't like it. I have it, and I don't like WebStorm just because it gives me errors on all of my code. Literally the entire file was just like underlined, and I wasn't gonna deal with fixing it or debugging it. But yeah. So let's see. I really wanted to mess with message delete. Cool, cool. Forbidden, are you having problems there? Did you have a rough Friday night or something? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just open up index. There it is. Derp. And we're gonna try this. I haven't messed with it at all yet. Oh, that was a link. Okay. Let's try this one more time. There we go. All right. Possibly. I have a lot going on. A couple of my friends want to play some Xbox. Okay, that was weird. Okay. Huh. Huh. Good? Okay, cool. And then it's gonna be message, arrow function. Alright, Seb, see you later, man. Thanks for stopping by. So we want to, let me go ahead and go to this server. We're gonna make a message log. You know, let's go ahead and make it private. We'll give bot. So the bot's in there. And then I guess we could have loaded it up so it would run that, but let's go ahead and say we're gonna delete this message. That'd be helpful, Mason, because I had no idea. And thanks, Freaky Freak. Cool name, by the way, I guess. So let's go ahead and say I don't think there's really much that we need to do, or besides let log channel equal message dot guild dot channels dot find name. Whoopsies. Go away. And then logs, or what did I call it? Message log. And we can just do this. If log channel does not exist, return message dot channel dot send. Alright, we'll do you deleted message, but we couldn't log it. That'd probably be annoying, but it'd be annoying enough that it would make them make the channel. Please create channel message log. Alright, so log channel dot send message. I believe this is gonna work. I wish Seb was here so I can confirm before I look like an idiot on stream. Okay, hopefully nothing comes up. Commands, tutorial. Set running. And since I am just testing stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and run it as a PowerShell. Alright, everything loaded. So let's go ahead and delete this real quick. Delete channel. Message log has been deleted. Message log. Alright. Oh, I need to. There we go. So let's delete it. Okay, what'd it do? Alright, let's see if we can. I don't know. NodeMon can be buggy sometimes. I do use it. I use it on my start.bat. But okay, that's a little loud in my ears, so I'm gonna turn it down just a tad bit. But it gets buggy sometimes, so I don't really use it too much. So yeah. Why did it not go? Is that whoopsies? Wrong one. You know, I don't think it. Okay, maybe we just won't use that one. We'll look at different ones. Trying to think what we could do. What's going on, Pool Day? How you doing? I tried to play around with I guess we could do rule delete, but rule create, it just whenever a new rule is created, limits that. But it doesn't. I haven't figured out. I could probably do some kind of wait and mess around with it to wait for them to change the name. We could do rule update. Let's do rule delete and rule update. And let's get rid of this guy. Well, I'll just delete this. And then it takes role. So role. This one's probably pretty simple. It's just gonna be, well, we can just do, let's say, let log channel. We need to make just a normal log channel. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. We'll just do log. Okay, thanks for the message. It updated. Oh yeah. See, with when I'm using like JSON files in my bot, it kind of just messes with it. So I don't really use it anymore. It's just as easy to go Control C and then up one and then reload it. All right, so let log channel equal role.guild.channels .find name comma logs, and we know exists, so I'm not going to do that if it doesn't. And then we'll just do log channel dot send, and then we'll do role has been deleted. So let's go ahead and test it out. So I'm going to go ahead and create a role. Okay, please stop messaging me. Let me turn that off real quick. Cool. There we go. Got rid of that problem. Let's say we want to delete this role. Delete dog person. Delete, okay. Uh-oh, what'd it throw? I probably messed up. Oh, it is null. That's because it's log, not logs. For you already made a new channel. Nice. All right, so let's restart that. And we can go ahead and go back here. And we'll just delete test. Delete it. Deleted role has been deleted. Okay, so it doesn't grab the name. That's because let's do role.name. Whenever you're deleting anything and you want to log it, it's gonna we'll save that change. Okay. Test has been deleted. So we can say something like the role.name has been deleted. All right. So that one's basically done. I don't know why that's so far down. Yeah, no, you can make like I don't know what the limit is, but you can have a lot of YouTube channels on one email. So I think I have like around 10. And most of them are just channels I manage, well, used to manage at least. So, hello, there we go. Test. Save changes. So it's not logging anything. That's fine. And then we'll try this one more time. Test. Delete. The role test has been deleted. Cool. All right, so that guy works. Let's just go ahead and clean this up. And then we want to use role update. And we're going to do it pretty much similar. Pretty similar. Bot.on. Role update. Async. Role. Alright, I wonder if that takes role. Let's look at the code. it's going to take 2 parameters. I wonder. We might have to give it 2 parameters here. So old rule. Retro, I just went over this. It doesn't really make a difference because I can just scroll over to it and have it restarted like that. NodeMon sometimes crashes and like bugs out. Thanks, Subarus. Appreciate it. But NodeMon, it just kind of crashes every now and then. Oh, new role. Is it capitalized? Yeah. All right, let's see if this guy works. No. So let's just console.log new role.name, and then we'll just do old role.name. See if this works before we write a bunch of code and it doesn't. So is it started? All right, let's change the name of a role. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna dump money into it if I don't need to. I'm just gonna listen to this. This is basically the same. It sounds the same to me. Dal MCPE. How's it going, man? So roles, we'll just change the name, or we'll add the role. Test role. Okay, it works. So there's a new role, and then there's the old one. Okay, so let's see how we can use this. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this guy down here just so we can use it here. I should really make global type channels, but since I have a command manager, it's basically just pointless is what I'm going for. Xenon, how's it going, buddy? Yeah, no, I'm fine with using NCS. They're not bad. It's not the worst thing in the world. They have cool graphics, you know. I really am interested in trying to mess with this event. User update. See, I want to do that one too. This is going to be a one we'll do today. Yeah, we'll do user update as well for when people change their usernames and stuff. All right, so okay, cool. So logs, our log channel dot send the role old role dot name has changed to new role, and we're gonna leave it just as a mentionable, just to see what it does, because I have yet to play with this event at all. So let's go ahead and restart that bot. Let's see what it does. So we go ahead and change the roles. Let's just change it to purple. Different test role. You know, give it administrator. Let's see what it does. Role is not defined. What do I do? What? Del, what do you mean, man? And Xenon, I really appreciate it, man. Deshawn's the one that does the bucket coding, but I do all the Discord.js stuff. Okay, where is it saying roll? Am I just blind? Role is not defined, but I don't use it here. Oh, thank you. I like live streaming code. I appreciate it. We'll just do old role. Well, I don't know which one to use because I've never had two parameters in an event. All right, let's try this one more time. Thank you guys. Live streaming code is so helpful. Save changes. All right, the role, different test role is changed to different test role. Cool. All right. Shut up, Deshawn. It's very helpful streaming code, though. You need to do it sometime for whenever you get stuck. People will be able to pop in and tell you something that you did was stupid. Everyone mention the source code and say hi, Deshawn, or hi, Day Day. How's work going, buddy? This is for all the times I see you on Overwatch all day when I'm at work. Alright. So, role update is done. Oh, username, that's what we're gonna do. So, user update. Old user, new user. Cool. Pretty much the same as this. He would, but he has roommates, so it's kind of hard for him. Day Day. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, Xenon. Same. On much. What? English? He's not very good at it. He speaks in code. That's all he knows. Old user, new user. So let's do the same thing as up here. We'll change that part of the code this time. And then we'll just go ahead and log channel dot send. Oh, on lunch. Got you. If you get your internet fixed at home. All right, so the user, old user, we'll do old user dot name has changed to, oh, if I can type, new user, and we'll mention him again. Okay. So let me change my username. I guess I should restart the bot, shouldn't I? Actually, let me look at that code real quick. I think that's everything, but we have so many events on here. Channel delete, channel create, role delete. That's okay. I'm not that nervous. If I had webcam on, I'd make a fool of myself. I have been thinking about doing the event handler retro. But it's just, George, you should always take up coding. Always. I don't know if I'm gonna do an event handler. We might do one. I just have to. I haven't played around with it since we have so many events in this now. We probably will. All right. So user update, that should be fine. Whoopsies. Oh, I'm an idiot. There we go. No foray. Language wise, start with the Deshaun's Java series. Just start messing around with that. Alright, so I'm gonna change my username. Ned. Okay, no error. What does it say on the... Okay, username. What if I... do I have to change my actual username or just my nickname? Because I really don't want to do that. Alright, so I'm going to change my username, but I'm going to... I don't want to give away anything, so... Streamer mode enable, I can't. Okay, disable. There we go. You don't need to in events. It's something if you're using an await, then you need to, but so I'm gonna add an L to the end of my name. I gotta use my password. Okay, so it didn't work. Okay, we might not just be able to use that one. Hopefully I don't lose my... Okay, cool, I got it back. Alright. Yeah, so... Oh, okay, it tried. What was wrong? I bet I... What? Why couldn't it? Yeah, I take all the L's. Yep. Man, I'm gonna just turn off the stream now. Why is it? What? I'm not losing my mind here, am I? 4A, just tell him to use another, like, we have what? What do we use? Don't we have rhythm? Yeah, we have rhythm. Just use that. Honestly, it's much better than doing a whole enchanted plugins. How's it going, buddy? Vortex Visuals, how's it going? Sorry, 4A, what's the question? Yes. Alright. I can't think of how to use that one. Let me... It's not that confusing, Vortex. Discord.js is actually really simple. And if you have any questions, you can always use the Discord that we have. That link should be down below. Or it's just discord.tscforum.com. Yes, there is Freaky Freak. If you, I think it's like episode 5. You know, I haven't messed with YouTube's API. It depends on what you're trying to do for it. If you're trying to like make a music bot, you can use YT DL, something like that. Forbidden is a liar. Don't believe anything he says. Yeah, I mean, I mess with JavaScript because I've done like not too much in the Node.js form, but like I've done a bunch of like just basic JavaScript stuff. So, oh, you mean the Google's cloud, the API key or whatever. I've been working on getting with that. Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Build member update instead. Okay. Let's try this one. Thank you. Who said that? Gratis. You're the best. All right, let's try this one. There's certain hosts you can just kind of research into it. I've used Vulture. Forbidden, if you're still in chat, could you drop the link to Vulture? That's one I've used. And Vortex is just discord.tscforums.com. Here, I'll put it in chat. And that'll get you to the invite link. So yeah, let's try this one more time. Change nickname. Neil. Undefined. No errors. Maybe it's just username. Why is it undefined? Does it takes both, right? I'm not going crazy here. Display name, okay. Why is it display name? Cool, and if we add a role, it shows, okay. Message is not a variable in this. What's up, Forbidden? Why? That's a rule against that, buddy. You can't do that. And the bot's muted. Wesley, Jack, Ricky, Emily. How's it going, guys? I know you're listening from Discord. Okay. So let's see. Maybe we should do... Okay, let's... If... Hold on. I'm trying to think. So if old member dot display name is equal to new member dot display name. We're comparing strings, so this might get messy. I can't remember if you can do that even in JS. Yeah, no, Enchanted, that work in a command that has message as the variable. Since this is a different event, so we're up here, it has to be old member and new member. So instead of message.guild.channel, that's fine. It's going to be like new member. It's going to get that variable where that guild is, search the channel or load all the channels, and then find the one with the name log. There, that's the name. Some bangers on it, NCS. All right, so log channel dot send, and we'll do return. That way it doesn't do anything, doesn't do this one down here. The user new member has been updated. All right, so I think that should work. Again, comparing strings can be iffy. All right, so let's try that. There we go. What is this? Some sad music going. So let's. It said add rule, right? Okay, there we go. Oh, and it did it before too. So if I remove that rule, all right, there we go. But if I change the name, there we go. It's working, guys. Oh, what do we got? Huh. Let us go here. GitKraken, how's it going, man? Cuzman, how you doing? No, this is just like me cleaning up code, adding small things. That's what the stream is for. I'm gonna start planning like a really big stream, like an 8-hour stream kind of deal, and we're gonna do something really cool. But I just haven't. Yeah, this is just more so me debugging and adding the small things. I don't know why that error was through. Need. How about Ned? Then add a roll. Remove a roll. Okay, it's not throwing errors anymore. That was weird. Maybe I didn't save fully or something. But yeah. Is there anything you guys want to see? I am gonna only be streaming for another 15, maybe longer. If I can find more stuff to do, I'll do it. It's just I really didn't plan this out too much. I was planning on doing the big stream today. But I have some other stuff that came up, so I can't. That's right. So someone's messing with my bot. All right. Let's do this. So I'm gonna go to if not message dot guild dot id is equal to hold on, let me grab my guild server. What's the guild ID? Copy ID. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna put that. I don't know if that'll work, but I'm gonna put this in that. Kick. I can't even remember the kick code. Oh my goodness. Okay, so message